Napi? Oh, iba. Di sini? Ini dong. Nanti show. Dia pergi balik dari no. Dia pergi bandung kami mana? Suruh kayaknya.
Tapi mana tu isu-isu minta?
Bandung behnya. Dia kemudian kapan jam teh?
Gitu. Ingat ngamuk punya tu. Bagi dorang pergi free training tapi tak semua kan?
Yang seriusnya ini malu malah tambah nama tik kena.
Tu persang orang pergi kadang ni angkong tu kerja training banget tak mana?
Dia siang ni tu EP dia ni tu sudah kamera mah.
Apa ya?
Kemudian EP baru ati mga bat iba midan hangni bat tip sipi kam kami kita kun samla ki bom dan kami jam. Dia minta ke MCSWA kawan rakyat ke free training hapo nongstoiñ. Pada kani ke free training kadai ke belas sponsor ding pada MSSDS bat kadai ke skill migalaya. Pada kani ke free training kadai ke belas kerjaan ding ba ke sorkar. Pada kijai training pat an sepentip da iba.
Kurang tapi kijat training lani ki course ki bala ai ki don hadu sanja. Kapani ko ke general healthcare ki ai training hadu saubna. Emergency medical technician ki ai training hadu life night. Ke senior beauty and spa therapist ki ai hadu art night. Ke animal health worker ki ai hadu sheep night. Pat kabak hadu integrated farming system kata ke poultry and aquaculture technician ki ai training hadu agla. Pat ke pas mata kalau pa ke donchis 4% kecingkula penyuka.
Teh piru ino pitangap. Jadi sistem yang di mentakam keloi yo la badap kasit. Nama kasit ru kada tak kendiat te wat penselam yo pensadu. Pada itu badi sistem nikong unyo nikong kasit ka babet bat ka bibiang bahan nak benta jampi. Bat ka bakam snono susu kolong ba ka jing hikai bat ka bam kadi ka jakasa pensusa umdot ka mensiu hendai free. Bat kinong hikai ru kinong kibat tebet. Bat ka kusru kadai ka bayha bat ka NSOQ. Bat tasya ya baru ke basyong ke basa ha kajila megelea panwan ha kane ka training. Bat ngako pen pentip ipi ya kajaka. Kajaka kade hapo nongstoiñ hapo moyban kade ka building jong iba creek. De piru wat pen slam ke register nam tayar de bala da piko ban register pila ban kontak uni number upang ada buah po. Bat pila ro ban scan ha uni QR code.
Bat babun rong ki kena ki balapas na kani ka training jong ka MCSWA kila yo e kakam. Timatangin pen EP ki video jong ki kena ki bala de pas bat kila try.
Hello everyone, my name is Milan Rahma. I'm here today to share with you as a student who got a recruitment in Cloud9 Hospital in Pune. So first of all, I would like to thank Meghalaya State School Development Society for sponsoring this free course to us. So I'm a fresher student with no experience but still got a chance to be a part of this opportunity. So I'm looking forward for the session to cover a real life example and hand out as I'm always looking for a
Good evening, my name is Zebula Matram. I would like to give a special thanks to the Spirit Center, Meghalaya Skill Development and the Cloud9 Hospital who give me this job opportunity and the free accommodation. As far as from my experience, the hostel and the mess is sufficient and even in the
Hello everyone, we are GDA student from Maxwell SPN and now we are going to Mumbai and our journey from Guwahati to Mumbai. It has already been a great and joyful experience, so we are looking forward to it. Thank you.
Te kublai shibun.
Nasi kedupat hakiwi pat video. Bye.